Morning, grade 3. Welcome to Science Lesson. Science Lesson 1, Unit 1.5. Protecting your organs. Class grade 3, time 45 minutes. Book students book page 10 and 11. Protecting your organs. Objectives. Know how skeletons grow as humans grow. Support and protect the body. Keywords. Skull, ribs and ribcage. The importance of the skeletal system. First one, framework for shape. The skeletal system gives shape to the body. Without the skeletal system, the body will look like a paper kite without a rigid frame. Second one, for support and anchorage. The skeletal system supports the body weight. Without the bones, you cannot stand or sit erect. So children, these are the functions of our skeletal system. Here you can see the skull, then brain. The brain is arguably the most important organ in the human body. It controls and coordinates actions and reactions, allows us to think and feel, and enables us to have memories and feelings, all the things that make us human. Skull. The human skull is a bony structure that forms the head in the human skeleton. It supports the structure of the face and forms a cavity for the brain. Like the skulls of other vertebrates, it protects the brain from injury. This is from your student's book, page number 10. If you put your hands on the back of your head, you can feel the hard, curved bones of your skull. The back of your skull is formed of 8 curved bones tightly fused together. You can see in the picture the lines where the bones join. So these are the lines where the bones join. The front of your skull is made of 14 facial bones which protect your eyes, nose and mouth. If you feel gently under your eye, you can feel the edge of the hole around your eye. Question number 1 is from your student's book, page number 1. Question number 1 from your student's book, page number 10. Why do you think the curved bones of the skull are fused together? Yes, to make sure they are strong and to form a helmet of immovable and inflexible bones to protect the brain. That's why curved bones of the skull are fused together. Second question is from your student's book, page number 10. A baby's skull bones are not fused together. Explain why it is important to protect a baby's head at all times. Yes, their skull contains spaces between the bones, so their brains are vulnerable to knocks and bumps. That's why we are always protect a baby's head at all times. Question number 3 is from your student's book, page number 10. The only bone in your skull that can move is your lower jawbone. Why does this bone need to move? Yes, so that you can chew. Next one. Protective sports equipments. What are the protective sports equipments we are using? First one. Yes, in cricket. What are the protective equipments we are using in the cricket? Yes. Look at this cricketer. What are the things he is used for his protection? Yes, he is wearing helmet, then with a face guard, cricket pads, gloves, shoes, etc. Look at this cyclist. He is wearing a cycling helmet and sunglasses. This is also for protection. Next one. Look at this swimmer. They are wearing a swimming hat and goggles. Next one. Look at this goggles. Next one is, look at this shore jumper. He is wearing a riding helmet and gloves. So that is also for his protection. Next one. Look at this snowboarder. This snowboarder, they are wearing a helmet, goggles, gloves, and warm clothes. This is also for protection. Next one. Look at this scuba diver. Yes, they are wearing a wetsuit and goggles. Next one. Look at this football player. Yes, he is wearing body armor, a helmet with a face guard, and gum shield. So all these are protective equipments. Yeah, in this slide you can see, look left, right, and left again before you cross sidewalks and driveways. Continue looking as you cross. These are the safeties. Only ride where your parents say it is safe. Next one. Can you guess the rule that goes to each picture? Yes. If you cross a street, walk your bike. On my bike. Can you guess the rule that goes with each picture? Obey stop signs and traffic lights. Ride on the right. Ride in a straight line. Next one. Always wear your helmet. Wear bright clothes. Only ride where your parents say it's safe. So this is all about the safety. Next one, here you can see the rib cage. The rib cage has three important functions. First one is protection, second one support, and third one respiration. It encloses and protects the heart and lungs. It provides a strong framework onto which the muscles of the shoulder, girdle, chest, upper abdomen, and back can attach. Question number 4. Put your hands on your ribs. Take a deep breath in and then breathe out again. What happens to your rib cage? Why do you think this happens? Yes, the ribs expand and push outwards and then contract and suck inwards as our lungs take in and expel air. The ribs need to be flexible so that we can breathe in and out. Summary. The skeleton protects our body. The skull protects our brain. The ribs protect our heart, lungs, and liver. Next one is the smart lab activities. Let's fill in the blanks. Your dash is the control center of your body. Which one is the control center of your body? Yes, brain. So you can write brain. Your dash acts like a dash. Your skull acts like a helmet to protect your brain. The ribs form a bony cage around your organ. This is called your rib cage. So children, this is the answer for filling the blanks. So I hope you understood this chapter. Bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.